Will you like to see how we went from this to this? And then finally, we are now on this. Hi, my name is Ojirole Mojibola, and I am your show making made easy to do. Of course, today I'm going to be showing you how to create the opening on the third design. We use the same pattern template to create each and every one that I showed you earlier. All I need you to do is to comment playlist in the comment section, and I will share the link to access all of the video series. We are definitely going to be doing more with just one pattern. All I need you to do today is sit back, and I'm gonna be right. The first part of the design that we're going to be looking at is that opening. How do I create the opening on it before we go into the main pattern? So the first thing I want you to do is get a plain sheet or your cardboard and fold this way. So I'm going to be making use of my ruler. Let me cut the other part that I don't need away. So from this particular end, I'm going to measure 3.5. I'm sure you can see that. Measure another 3.5 away from the same line. So let's go ahead and let it come together. So now what I have right here is just from here to here is actually 1 centimeter. Now another thing I'm going to do from that point, from that 1 centimeter point, I'm going to measure is 0.5 centimeter upward. So from here to here is 0.5. I'm sure you can see that. Please follow me closely. Now, another thing that I want you to also understand is that the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be making sure that this is also 1. This is also at about 1 centimeter. So you're going to bring this straight, this particular one here. You're going to bring it to this particular angle this way. Please follow me closely. So at this point, all you need to do on this particular side is to cuff it a bit. Let me bring this up so that I'll be able to see what I'm doing at this point. So I'm going to just come from this edge, and cuff it in this way. So we are just going to go ahead now and just, completely curve it so well. You can see. I need a better pen so that it comes this way. You understand? Can you see what it looks like? So what it means is when you want to cut this way. So we have something like this inside it. So can you see what we have? So you are just going to go ahead and then use this to cut the opening. Now, if you want this particular part to be more bulky, all you need to do is instead of using 0.5, you can use like 1 centimeter. So it means that, it will come down a little bit, much more than this. Instead of it coming in this way, you understand, it will come out, more, and then you can always cuff it out. So with this, you can actually create the opening on that particular design.